Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are gonna see how to apply visa to Finland step by step. I mean to say tourist visa to Finland step by step. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. All right guys, so let's proceed. So guys, Finland is again a Schengen country, and the application process is almost same like other countries. So in front of you, I have opened official Ministry of Foreign Affairs of Finland, where I have taken you to the visa section. So they have given if you need visa uh, for to visit Finland or not. But the main thing is how to apply. So as many other Schengen countries, they have given like you need to apply at the nearest Finnish mission or the visa center that represents your location. Okay. And they have also specified the documents that like you need the visa application form. We'll go through that. Photograph, passport, travel insurance, supporting documents. We'll go through that. Okay. For minor parental consent, interview can be asked. Okay. Visa application form, you have this in English as well. And visa fee also. So it's 80 euro per single person adult. Okay. All right. So suppose if you need to apply from India, how you are gonna do? So I have opened this Embassy of Finland, New Delhi. Okay. Consulate General of Finland, Mumbai. So for Indian travel documents, you need a visa for Finland. And there are some exemptions for diplomatic passport holders, but that is like exception. Okay. All right. Now, where to apply for visa? This is very important. So it has been outsourced to VFS Global, like many other Schengen countries, no doubt. And they have given all these links point to VFS only. Okay. So if I open this link, see, it has gone here. So when you wanna ready to apply, apply. So we know what visa type we need. So if we begin our application, we need to fill the visa application form. Okay. Okay. So you need to select the language and create an account. Okay. So I'm gonna do these steps and I'm gonna come. So what happens when you register, you need to provide an email address and password. You get a confirmation email. You need to click on the link and from there you can proceed and do this. All right. So you want to start visa application. Okay. Click on start a new application. Okay. Now they come with guide as well. So surname, name at birth, family name. So I'm gonna put some sample guys. Okay. So next section is gonna be the travel documents. Let me see if I can walk you through all without going to other sections. Yeah. So okay. So personal first they ask for the personal details. Okay. Then they ask for travel document, passport and all whatever you have. Occupation and residence, home address, postal code, country, current occupation, employer details. Same thing that we see in other Schengen applications too. Journey details, number of entries required, member state of entry, fingerprints previously collected or not, contact and accommodation, then documents. Okay. And finalize application. There you can see all the details. And if things are okay, like right now this link is disabled because I haven't done it. But once you are through this, you can click on this and then it's gonna generate that document for you. All right. Then, so once you are through that, then if then we have to book an appointment and then you can submit and track your application. That's good. And also at the end, because it has asked for the country specific information, you're gonna get the checklist as well. And fee we have already seen. So based on that, you can you know like how much it's gonna cost you. That's really important so that you don't miss anything. And also, instead of doing this online, you can also download the form here. Okay. Same details have been asked. This also you can fill and take it over there along with the checklist of documents. Okay. So we know that this was the fee initially. We saw this documents required. Okay. Photo specification, medical insurance, processing time. Okay. So up to 30 days, as you see. So you got the idea, and you see, like at the end of this, you have all the information. And so thanks for watching this, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank